how to see the last person someone followed on Instagram. If you want to see the most recent followers of an account, whether it's your own or someone else's, there is a way to check that inside Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on your follow account to open the list of your followers. This list is shown in chronological order, meaning the people at the top are your most recent followers, and as you scroll down, you'll see older followers. If you want to check the latest followers of another account, go back to the home page and tap on the search icon at the bottom. Type the username of the account you want to check, select the profile, and then tap on their follow account. Instagram also arranges this list in order, so the most recent followers appear at the top. However, if the account has a very large number of followers, Instagram may limit how far you can scroll. If you are looking for a specific person in the list, you can use the search bar at the top to check if they are following that account. That's how to see the last person someone followed on Instagram.